Hey everybody, it's day 22 of our summer sketches. Today we're going to learn how to draw a butterfly using the letter B. We're going to start with the capital letter B. And then let me grab my pencil for the details. You're going to come up from the top of the B and do a little bump there and another long bump. Now what we're gonna do on this side for the wings is basically mirror that B. So you're gonna try to just mirror that B. It certainly doesn't need to be perfect, y'all. We're gonna give her some antennas, and I'm gonna do her eyes with a couple eyelashes, and how about a big old smile? Looks a little scary. Let's not do that. Oh, guys, I hope you're having fun drawing with me. There we go. Now, something unique about butterflies is their wings mirror each other. So whatever we do over here, we're gonna do over there. So 1, 2, 3, I'm gonna have fun and do a big old heart right there in the center, and then just some circles around the edge. What fun. Let's outline her. Look at how cute her butterfly is. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. Let's give her some color. This is adorable. I'm gonna have some fun colors going on with her wings. I hope you guys have been following along for all of our summer sketches during the month of July. And if you have, I'm curious, have your drawings gotten better? Do you feel more confident? Have you shown some of your friends or families what you learned to draw? I hope you guys are having so much fun. Thank you for being here today. And check it out. Look at our sweet butterfly. So pretty and easy to do. I hope you give it a try at home.